Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Houzz Pro for contractor bids and project planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Houzz Pro for contractor bids and project planning, begin by visiting the Houzz website. Click on the sign up or login button in the top right corner. If you are a new user, fill in the required information to create an account. Once signed up, log in to your Houzz Pro account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various options. Locate the Project Management section on the left sidebar. Click on Activate Houzz Pro to start the activation process. Follow the prompts to enter essential details about your business. Provide your contractor license information if prompted. Select the specific services you offer to potential clients. Upload any necessary documentation or portfolio items to showcase your work. Choose your preferred payment plan based on your business needs. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Confirm your subscription to activate Houzz Pro features. After activation, explore the various project planning tools available. Familiarize yourself with creating bids and estimates for clients. Access templates designed for project planning and bids within the platform. Use the dashboard to manage your projects efficiently. Regularly check for updates and new features that can enhance your workflow. Engage with your clients through the communication tools provided in Houzz Pro. Monitor your project timelines and budgets within the platform. Make adjustments as needed to ensure successful project completion. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to utilizing Houzz Pro for contractor bids and project planning effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.